Windows 11 Copilot. 8. Summarize website content without opening Bing Chat on Edge. One of the best tips when using Copilot is the ability to summarize website content, which can come in handy in many situations. For example, content summarization can help you consume more content quickly and better understand the topic by ignoring the clutter. You can use the summarization as a starting point for schoolwork. The ability to summarize online content can help you gather the information you need to complete a task at work.
If you like such stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel ITFO.
To summarize the contents of a web page with Copilot, use these steps. Click the Copilot Windows key +C button on the taskbar. Open the web content with Microsoft Edge. Quick note: at the time of this writing, Copilot summarization only works with Microsoft Edge. Compose the query to summarize the content and press Enter. For example, create a summary of this web page. Copilot Web Summary. After you complete the steps, Copilot will check the currently active tab on Microsoft Edge and create a summary of the page without the need to open the Bing Chat side panel on the browser.